In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a voiceover laugh in Elevenlabs. To get started, open Elevenlabs and head to the text-to-speech section from the left-hand side of the screen. This is the main area where you will create and fine-tune your voice output. So once you are there, you are ready for the important setup. Next, look over to the right side and open the model settings. From there, choose 11v3. This step matters because 11v3 is optimized to better understand dynamic human emotion and context. In other words, it does a much better job with expressive delivery, including moments like laughter, compared to simpler or older models. If you want a voice that sounds more natural and reacts more like a real person would, this is the model you want to use. After that, select your voice from the voice drop-down list. You can use whichever voice best matches the tone of your project. But keep in mind that some voices may perform emotional reactions a little differently than others. If you are aiming for a specific style, such as playful, casual, or warm, it can help to choose a voice that already leans in that direction. Now type your script into the text box. And this is where the key part happens. Insert the tag laugh in square brackets exactly where you want the voice to chuckle. Placement is very important here. If you put it in the wrong spot, the laugh may feel disconnected from the sentence or sound unnatural. Try to place it where a real person would actually laugh during speech. Also, remember that the model reacts to context, not just the tag itself. So write your script conversationally, and use punctuation the way a human would naturally speak or react while laughing. Short pauses, commas, and realistic phrasing can make a big difference if the surrounding sentence feels stiff or robotic. The laugh may also feel less convincing. The more natural the writing, the more believable the result tends to be. Once everything looks good, click Generate Speech. Listen carefully to the result. If the laugh feels too abrupt, awkward, or unnatural, simply regenerate the clip or slightly adjust the pacing and surrounding text. Sometimes even a small wording change before or after the laugh tag can make the delivery sound much smoother. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.